Gentlemen, many men assume that aging is the reason their erections weaken, but the truth is your body still holds its power. I'm Dr. Hannah Kim, Men's Sexual Health, and today I'll show you how simple natural oils can help improve circulation, calm sensitivity, and rebuild confidence. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe so you never miss my health guidance. Erections are not only about desire, they are about circulation. When blood cannot move freely into the pelvic region, firmness becomes unreliable. Over time, many men notice that response is slower, strength is not what it once was, and intimacy turns into stress instead of pleasure. But here is the good news. Just as muscles can be trained, your blood vessels and nerves can also be conditioned to respond better. And one of the easiest ways to support this is through touch. Using mindful massage combined with the right oil. Oils are not simply slippery. Lubricants. The right oils deliver nutrients, soothe the nerves, and nourish the tissue. They encourage circulation to open naturally, which is the foundation of stronger erections and better control. Let us start with castor oil. Thick, warming, and almost velvety, castor oil is one of the most therapeutic oils you can use. When you warm it between your hands and apply it to the soft area between the base of the scrotum and the anus, the perineum, it does more than rest on the surface. It penetrates deeply into the muscles, the tiny blood vessels, and the nerves, reaching layers that ordinary lotions never touch. What does it do there? 3 things. First, it relaxes the pelvic floor muscles. Many men carry tension here without realizing it, and that tension quietly restricts blood flow, making firmness harder to maintain. Second, it calms overactive nerves, the ones that fire too quickly and cause you to finish sooner than you want. And third, it nourishes the blood vessels, encouraging them to soften, widen, and deliver more oxygen-rich blood throughout the entire pelvic region. The effect is not only physical, it also creates a mental sense of grounding, as if your body is finally working with you instead of against you. The result is warmth, calm, and steadiness. Instead of rushing forward, your body slows down and feels more under your control. Some men describe the sensation as a deep, pleasant warmth spreading through the pelvis, almost like a gentle weight being lifted away. That feeling alone builds reassurance and confidence. Many of my patients notice a difference the very first time they use castor oil. Less urgency, more control, and a surprising sense of steadiness they have not felt in years. And when practiced regularly, it does more than create temporary calm. Over time, it retrains your body so that firmness and steadiness become your new normal. What begins as a simple oil massage often becomes a powerful habit, a ritual that keeps circulation strong, nerves calmer, and confidence restored. Now let's talk about coconut oil. Unlike castor oil, which is thick and heavy, coconut oil is light and silky. It glides easily, protects the skin, and is gentle even on the most sensitive areas. Coconut oil acts almost like a cushion. For men who struggle with hypersensitivity, it softens the intensity of stimulation. Instead of overwhelming the nerves, it takes the edge off, creating a smoother, more controlled experience. It also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, keeping the skin healthy and comfortable. That means you are not only improving control, but also caring for the skin itself, preventing dryness and irritation that can make intimacy uncomfortable. Another benefit of coconut oil is its versatility. You can use it before intimacy as part of a massage, or even as a daily moisturizer for the pelvic area. Each time, it works quietly in the background, conditioning the skin and calming the nerves. Over time, men who use coconut oil regularly notice less irritation, better hydration, and more enjoyment without the stress of finishing too quickly. For many, it becomes more than just a lubricant. It becomes a trusted ally for comfort, control, and confidence. And then there is olive oil, something almost every man already has in his kitchen. What is good for the heart is also good for your manhood. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which help protect delicate tissues and keep blood vessels flexible and elastic. That flexibility is essential because erections depend on vessels widening quickly and fully, allowing blood to flow in freely without resistance. When massaged into the perineum or gently along the pelvic region. Olive oil supports circulation, nourishes the skin, and reinforces the natural foundation your body needs for strength, steadiness, and lasting confidence. When massaged along the shaft, olive oil does more than improve glide. It works beneath the surface to support healthy circulation. The skin absorbs its nutrients, which travel into the tiny vessels and surrounding tissue, encouraging relaxation and nourishment exactly where it is needed. With time, this gentle support can create a noticeable improvement in how responsive and dependable your erections feel. For men just starting to explore natural methods, olive oil is safe, simple, and surprisingly effective. It may seem ordinary, something you pour over a salad, but with consistent use, it becomes a quiet partner for circulation and strength. Many men are surprised by how much change they feel after only a few weeks. Less tightness, more warmth, and greater confidence in their body's response. And finally, almond oil. Light, smooth, and rich in vitamin E and magnesium, almond oil is the oil of calm. Magnesium relaxes both muscles and nerves, which is essential for men who feel overstimulated or anxious. By soothing nerve endings, almond oil slows the rush and gives you more control. Unlike heavier oils, it absorbs quickly, leaving the skin soft and nourished without residue. This makes it ideal for men who prefer a clean, light feeling instead of a heavy coating. Many men tell me it makes their intimate moments not only easier to manage, but also more enjoyable and emotionally connected. That calm, confident feeling is powerful, and it lasts well beyond the moment itself. Another reason almond oil works so well is its versatility. You can use it in a regular massage routine, apply it just before intimacy, or even include it in a nightly ritual before bed. Over time, these small, consistent habits build into lasting change. Almond oil does not only help you feel calmer in the moment, it conditions your nerves and muscles to respond with greater steadiness over the long term. That is why so many men who use it regularly describe not only stronger control, but also a deeper sense of balance and well-being. So how should you use these oils? Start by setting the scene. Take a few minutes to relax, breathe, and prepare. Warm a small amount of oil between your hands. Begin with gentle circular motions on the perineum, the control center of circulation. Keep the pressure light at first, allowing your body to adjust. As the muscles relax, slowly increase the depth. Spend 5 to 10 minutes here. Think of this not as rushing toward release, but as training your body. This practice is not only about pleasure, it is about conditioning your nerves, muscles, and blood vessels to respond in a healthier, steadier way. With time, it becomes a ritual, a form of therapy that improves control, strengthens erections, and rebuilds confidence. Now let me be clear. Oils are powerful, but they work best when combined with simple daily habits. Stay hydrated, because blood is mostly water and erections depend on smooth circulation. Stretch your hips and lower back because these areas are gateways to pelvic blood flow, and avoid long hours of sitting, which place pressure on the very vessels and nerves you are trying to support. Together, these habits create the ideal environment for your body to thrive. The oils open and nourish, water fuels the blood. Stretching clears the path. Movement keeps your vessels active. It is not one trick. It is a foundation for lasting improvement. Gentlemen, this is not about quick fixes. It is about giving your body the natural care it has been waiting for. Castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, each has its own strengths, but what they share is the ability to help you last longer, feel calmer, and restore your confidence and intimacy. So tonight, I encourage you to try it. Take 5 minutes, apply one of these oils, and notice how your body responds. Stay consistent, and within weeks, you may experience deeper sleep, more reliable erections, and a stronger sense of control. I am Dr. Hannah Kim, Men's Sexual Health, and I want you to remember this. Age does not define your manhood, your habits do. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more natural men's health guidance and share your experience in the comments. I look forward to hearing your stories.